footage of Hurricane Idalia in Florida 2023, where a terrible storm so quickly turned the whole city into a sea.
This is winding down, finally. Man, the trees are just shredded.
More than 330,000 customers in Florida were without electricity, while rushing water covered streets near the coast.
It's dirty, but we made it in. What?
As the eye moved inland, high winds shredded signs, sent sheet metal flying and snapped tall trees. Major Hurricane Idalia made landfall Wednesday morning in the Big Bend area of Florida. Storm trackers set up cameras and reporters on the coast from Tampa to the Apalachee Bay south of Tallahassee. One of the remote cameras Suddath set up was in Cedar Key, Florida, which is north of Tampa. The area was picturesque just before 9 a.m. on Tuesday. A day later, after Idalia made landfall, the coastal road disappeared.
Bay Shore is a little quiet this morning, folks.
Water flooded half of the first floor of the building. The video at the top shows wave riding on the top of the storm surge, crashing onto a poorly parked Cadillac. By 4 a.m. local time, the car was floating and headed down the coast. Cedar Key saw a record storm surge of 8.9 feet according to NWS. Their previous record was 6.1 feet from Hurricane Hermine in 2016.